This man let her wax his entire head. And the aftermath. It'll make you think twice before trying it yourself. In this video, we break down the 15 shocking things that happen when one brave man lets someone wax his entire scalp. From pain to unexpected results, let's dive into the truth behind extreme hair removal. If you're in New York, London, Sydney, or even Stockholm, you'll relate to the grooming culture we're about to uncover. The initial shock of the first strip, immediate pain response. Similar to upper lip waxing, blood circulation spiked, redness on scalp, common reaction. In colder climates like Sweden or Canada, his expression, priceless, hair length miscalculation. Wax doesn't grip short stubble in places like London or Berlin. Buzz cuts are trendy, bad for waxing. Reapplication led to skin irritation, always grow hair to at least 1/4 inch. Hot wax burned his scalp, wax to hot. Causes first-degree burns. Many men in Melbourne or Chicago skid patch testing temperature wasn't checked with forearm led to temporary blister and bleeding hair follicles, known as pinpoint bleeding. Common in dense scalp areas, seen in thick-haired men from Nordic countries, not dangerous, alarming to look at, caused him to panic on camera. Sebum overdrive. Post-wax, scalp overproduced oil, sweat, and oil buildup. Especially common in humid areas like Brisbane, needed intense cleansing for a week. Breakouts started forming, instant scalp sensitivity. Even hair felt sharp on the skin in windy cities like Toronto or Hamburg. Became unbearable. Wore a hat for 3 days, couldn't sleep on his back. Redness lasted for days. Hypersensitive skin flared up, especially common in people with Irish or German ancestry. Aloe vera application helped reduce it, but it took 4 to 5 days to fade. He regretted skipping exfoliation. Dead skin cells clogged the open pores. Scalp started to flake, looked like dandruff. Exfoliation is key pre-wax, especially in drier climates like Oslo. Bright light equals burning sensation. Sunlight hit the raw skin harshly. Walking around Sydney or LA felt like fire. Wore a hoodie even in the heat. Sunscreen is crucial post-wax. Surprise ingrown hairs. Without proper aftercare, ingrowns formed fast, particularly around the crown of the head. In colder climates like Iceland, skin heals. Social media exploded. Friends from London, New York, and Auckland were shocked over 1,000 views in 48 hours. Comments range from brave to why. Confidence crash. He didn't expect to look that different. His scalp shape wasn't flattering, especially under direct light. Confidence dropped for a week. Normal in image-conscious places like Berlin or Sydney. Delayed hair growth. Hair took longer to regrow than expected. Unlike shaving, waxing removes from the root. For men in Toronto or Glasgow, where beanies are common, this was tricky. He had no hair for weeks. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.